Woo! La-di-da-di, happy Friday, everybody. Okay, just looking at what's happened. We did have some divergence. We had another divergence, but we had broken through the original one on the 10-946. Pulled back and just gave a nice little short opportunity right as we were opening up the charts here. Just kind of looking around a little bit. All right, seeing the slowdown here, the pop back up. I like the way that this is rolling below the zero line to push down to this bottom Bollinger Band. Happy stop. And we're looking through it for it to break through. It's really slowed down quite a bit. We may actually see a bounce back up here. We want to watch how far this goes. Why is this chart not moving? What? Alright, well, for some reason my 610 chart has stopped working, and so I'm going to need to do some refreshing. I'll be back. Alright, what feels like an hour later, I'm now ready to go. So, let's see what's happened here. We're sticking true to that divergence, pushing back up. Definitely no short trade here because everything's still pushing up. I think we're going to be looking for the longs. A little divergence, pushing this back down. Ugh, didn't get into it in time. Let's see if it pulls. There we go. Grabs me here. Alright, we're going to need to see this roll up. Don't know what kind of potential this has. I'm going to pull the second trade off just a little bit. Also be prepared for if this decides to turn back around. So I will move 2 ticks behind here if this pushes up past this area. There we go. I'm going to actually pull this off just a little bit further. Looking up in this area. We're going to stay at a break even. I got a finger on the close button. Well, we're looking pretty good. Pull it all the way up there. Watch what happens here. See a tiny reversal bar. Still have strength up here. I'm going to go ahead and take the exit as it's given this tiny reversal bar and some room for the push back down towards the area. So that was quick. Took forever to get prepared for it. That was it. That nice little reverse bar there. So I'm going to watch this pull back in just a little bit and give me a spot for the bounce up. This may not be the spot. Let's see. Oh, it's probably going to pull down. Yeah, it's pulling down just far enough to stop me out. Hold on. Let it finish its thing. I was a little bit early on that one. There we go. Move that up just a little. See if this keeps pushing down. There we go. There's one out. Move my risk in just a little bit and looking at closing this one possibly. I'm going to a break even on that one. Okay. Glad I clicked it there right before it touched it. Otherwise it would have made me move it. They're staying open to the downside here. Let me remove this. If I leave too much on the charts, I will convince myself that it's supposed to go that way because I put an arrow or because I put a line or something like that. So I try and be really cautious with that kind of stuff and not let it influence me too much. Okay, I don't love my entry, but I had to run with it. Take this second one. We are going to pull that off because I really believe this is going to be one that pushes up a little bit more. I don't know that it's going to go for the full. Nope. that's because of my risk. My risk was terrible. This is still going up, y'all. Here we go. Go. Just as before, because this is moving so quickly, we're going to move to a break even pretty fast. Go ahead and go there. I like it. Keep going. Now, do I believe this is going to follow through all the way? No. So my first sign, I'm exiting, which I'm seeing one. And we are going to keep letting this go just a little longer. Ooh. See this reversal bar? I'm hitting close. There is a little bit of a reversal bar here. The opportunity for it to push down. No movement in the MACD is up here. Does that mean it can't keep going? No. It can. Zero line here. So let's turn these puppies on. And I think this may be it for today. First one, and I struggled a little bit right here. Long stopped out, long took profit. Oh, I didn't get the break even. It pulled me down just a little bit further as I was sliding it up. Actually, I think it took it, yeah. Long, stopped out, long. Okay, so we know this first one was plus 2.0. Plus 5.0. Then we start to get what looks like just a little hairy, okay? But it's still not too bad a trade-in. So the first one I got, we'll just put minus 2.5 because it's minus 1.25. The next one is plus 2.0. Then minus 0.25. After that, we follow by another minus 2.5. And then once again, plus 2.0. So that makes for 5 trades, 2 losses, 3 wins. So that is going to wrap it up. It's going to wrap it up. That's today. So 5 trades, 2 losses, 3 wins, 10.75. I've spent about an hour with the market today, all in all, since there was a little bit of technical difficulty in the morning. Yeah, but besides that, I think it's been a pretty good day. I hope everybody has a fabulous Friday. And if you have questions, definitely let me know. You know, I want to make sure that everybody understands everything and knowing why you're doing things instead of just clicking the button and saying a prayer. Knowing why you're doing things is the difference between taking profit and continuously taking a loss. So because when you take that profit and you don't know what you're doing, you go, oh yeah, I got lucky, I did it right, and you expect to get lucky again. Wouldn't it be wonderful if the world worked that way? I'd win every poker game I ever went to. Anyways, I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. If you've got questions, hit me up. Otherwise, catch y'all on the profitable side.